Hello, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association, and this is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory topics impacting the industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, ISSA submits statement on Biden's trade policy agenda. ISSA is part of the Americans for Free Trade coalition of businesses, trade associations, and workers united against tariffs, submitted a statement for the record to the leadership of the U.S. Senate Finance and House and Ways and Means Committee following the Biden administration's 2022 trade policy agenda. In addition to calling for an end to the Section 301 tariffs, the coalition also urged the committee to include language in the China Competes bill that would require the Office of the United States Trade Representative to reinstitute comprehensive, transparent, and fair exclusion processes with retroactivity. The products subject to the Section 301 tariffs are very important to the cleaning industry, and we continue to advocate on the rollback on tariffs of essential raw materials, as well as end products related to the cleaning and hygiene industry. Topic 2, volatile organic compounds. Save your seat right now for the ISSA webinar on the regulation of VOCs in cleaning products. This will take place on Thursday, June 14th. As you may know, VOCs in cleaning products are extensively regulated and can oftentimes be a confusing patchwork of state and federal regulations that are constantly in flux, making it imperative that manufacturers and distributors understand the changes that are happening almost every other month. Register today to learn about the latest developments related to the regulation of VOCs in commercial and household cleaning products. And thirdly, OSHA launches program to protect workers from heat-related injuries and illnesses. After months of fact-finding and expert input on ways to monitor and combat extreme heat in the workplace, the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration launched the National Emphasis Program to protect workers from heat illnesses and injuries. Employees are invited to join a public stakeholder meeting on May 3rd to discuss OSHA's ongoing activities related to protecting workers from heat-related hazards. This was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know right now for this week.